everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first video that you're watching, then hi, this is Jainee Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, you will find real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. Now that you know me, go hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber gives me joy. I am building a community with all of you so that you're not afraid to experiment when it comes to fashion and styling and things that you can utilize in your day-to-day life. Now that festivities are right here, and this year for sure I don't intend to buy anything new for the festivities. I mean, last year I still had this whole gung-ho about celebrations, but this year it's been 2 years we are away from India and not with family. So yes, I will celebrate Diwali, but I don't think I want to buy anything new this year. Now, as you have seen from the title, today I am literally going to teach you how you can utilize your regular tops and your crop tops while you're wearing a sari. It has been ages that I must have gotten a blouse stitched, so whenever I pick a sari, I first have a look at all the tops that I have and how many tops can I utilize with my current sari. I've kept the jewelry and makeup to the minimum because the idea is for you to learn how to utilize your current tops or your crop tops and pair it with the sari. We'll do a separate video on styling the saris. Today's topic is purely dedicated to utilizing your tops as your sari blouses. Let's move on.
The first thing that you should do is lay down your sari so you can see all the colors. In my case, my sari is blue, obviously predominantly, and then there's this Rani pink, and I have like a yellow green sort of a thing. I've laid down my color wheel and I've put my triangle on blue. Now the opposite of the triangle is orange, so orange is going to work well. The sari already has a Rani pink, so Rani pink will work well. If you look at the triangle with the color wheel, then it has your yellow. So the yellow and the neon is going to work well, and obviously white is 100% going to work well. If you're interested to know how to learn the color wheel, please enroll in my course and you'll get an idea about how to use the color wheel effectively. Even before I begin, let me tell you that if you have stretch marks, your stretch marks are visible around your midriff, or if you have a midriff, it's part of a body, don't feel awkward. The first one is this blouse. Now this blouse is actually a crop top that I wear on my pants, and with this one I've just draped the sari. The fun about crop tops and saris is that it still has modesty level. They are extremely tiny, so I'm not comfortable with denims, but with saris they're okay. I paired it with a silver necklace just to add that casualness to it, and here I have my white crop top with the sari. For the next one, I've taken pink from the sari and done a raw silk top. Now I generally get raw silk tops done in multiple colors like pink, mustard and red for different saris. In this case, I have not tucked in my raw silk top but kept it open, paired it with pearl and made like a regal feel with the whole look. Having such tops handy are also great on days you don't want to wear short blouses. One is I have paired the sari with this yellow top. As you can see in the image, the top is actually used with the shorts. I have worn golden earrings and golden bangle to keep that whole look simple. In this case, I have tucked in the top inside my petticoat and then draped the sari over it. The fourth option is this neon one. Now because yellow and neon are very close, I have paired the neon t-shirt. It gives a very peppy feel to it. The earrings are same. The t-shirt is not tucked in, but I want to add a structure, so I've taken a belt and I'm adding a structure to the whole look. My sari draping skills after so many shots is really questionable. Last look with this sari, I can still do 10 more blouses, but I wanted to make it simple, is this bralette that I've picked up from H&M. It's a silver bralette and I have paired it with the sari.
So that was it. I just finished shooting everything, and can I tell you, it is so freaking hot in Singapore today that my hair is just flying here and there. Anyways, it was a short and sweet video. I know the color wheel will make sense, and that investing in a color wheel from, you get that at Amazon or any art shop, that is a game changer. If you want to learn more about how to combine colors, how to block colors, what colors, and how to do match prints and colors and everything, then I have a course, a digital styling course called Frustrated to Fabulous. It has 92 styling videos, something that you can do by yourself. I assure you, my course is a game changer. I have a special 10% discount for my YouTube audience if whenever you want to enroll in the course. Anyways, this was today's video. I'm sure it made sense, and now you're more confident of utilizing your current tops into combining with your sarees. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm also curating a video on how to utilize your regular tops or your crop tops with silk sarees for cocktails, casual, and for festivity. And I'll let you know when that's up. But for now, if you have any questions, please do write down below. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.